Class. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the subject and the predicate explanation of the definitions of both of that. Today I am going to start with your back exercises of the chapter lesson 2 of English language. In this chapter, back exercises are very easy. If you understood the video, you can easily identify that what is subject and what is predicate in the sentences beta. So go through the video, and this work you have to do in your English language fair copy beta. Okay, so write it neatly, nicely, and send it to me into the WhatsApp group before 8:30. And if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also beta. Okay, complete it, but in a neat and clean handwriting, and use blue and black pen only. And uh, after writing the sentence, after writing the work, you can check it that you have written it properly or not. Okay, let's start with the video, children. You all know that up to this I have demonstrated yesterday. So this is the explanation. Today I am going to start with this exercise. Underline the subjects and circle the predicates in the following sentences. This exercise you have to do in your English language fair copy, children. Now I am going to tell you how you can write in your English language fair copy beta. Okay, so let's start. So this is your English language fair copy. Like this, you have to complete mention today's date 28/4/21, lesson 2, subject and predicate, exercise A, right side, classwork beta. Okay. Then what you can write the heading with the black pen, underline the subjects and circle the predicates in the following sentences. Means sentences are given like this. You have to write down first sentence. Pranjal is an intelligent boy. So in this, Pranjal is an intelligent boy, you have to identify the subject first. So yesterday I have told you that subject is the person, place or thing about which something is said in the sentence. So you have to underline it. So this is the subject, you can underline it. And predicate you have to circle. So after selecting the subject, rest of the part is your predicate, you all know. So encircle it like this. Okay, complete it like this. The bird is flying. In this, the bird is subject. Okay, and is flying is your predicate, so you can encircle it. Okay beta. Next is the child sleeps well. In this, the child is the subject, so you can underline it. And after the rest of the part is your remaining part is your predicate, so you can encircle it like this. Okay. Come to the next. Water is precious. So water you can underline it. This is the subject, and is precious is the predicate, so you can encircle it. Okay. Come to the next. Next is the teacher sings well. In this, the teacher is the person, so you can underline it. It is subject, and sings well is the predicate. And you also know that it predicate always contains the what verb. So sings is the verb, so sings well is the predicate beta. Next is Preeti writes a story. In this, Preeti is the subject, so underline it, and writes a story is predicate, so encircle it beta. Okay. Next, the teacher is in the library. In this, the teacher is the subject, so underline it, and is in the library is predicate, so encircle it. Okay beta. Come to the next. My books are in the almirah. So in this, my books is subject, are in the almirah is the predicate, so encircle it properly like this beta. Okay. Come to the next. My father is a businessman. My father is subject because it is about a person, and is a businessman as a predicate beta, so encircle it like this. Okay. Come to the next. My mother cooks tasty food. In this, my mother is subject, so underline it, and cooks tasty food is predicate, so circle it like this. Okay. So Complete it like this neatly and nicely in your English language. Fair copy beta. Okay. Come to the next. Next exercise B. It is given like this. The girl is dash. So in this, the girl is dancing. You have to write the predicate. Okay. In this, it is given the heading like this: fill in the blanks with suitable subject and predicate. So the girl is dancing. Okay. So you can fill it like this: dash are flying in the sky. So birds are flying in the sky beta. Okay. Next is dash are dancing on the dance floor. So the boys you can fill as a subject. The boys are dancing on the dance floor beta. Next is the children. So you have to fill the predicate. So you can write like this: are playing. Okay. Next is the teacher is teaching in the classroom. Is teaching in the classroom. So complete it like this beta. Okay. Come to the next. Peter dash. So Peter is writing. Next is Tom and Jerry show. So in the predicate is very interesting. Next, dash the television. Priya is watching the television. Priya is watching the television. Dash brought chocolates for me. Shyam brought chocolates for me. The elephant is playing with ball. Next, I am a boy. And the last one, dash will learn the language by practicing it daily. So the name is Rohit. Rohit will learn the language by practicing it daily. So complete it in your English language fair copy beta. Okay. Complete it neatly, nicely as I have completed. Thank you.